Hey there, future online entrepreneurs. Ever heard of webinars? They're like online workshops, but way cooler. Imagine this, you're sharing your knowledge with a global audience, all from the comfort of your own home. That's the magic of webinars. Webinars are live, interactive online events where you can teach, engage, and connect with your audience in real time. Think of them as virtual classrooms where you're the expert, sharing your wisdom and expertise. The best part? Webinars aren't just about sharing knowledge, they're a powerful tool for making serious money online. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, webinars can be your secret weapon to boost your income and build a thriving online business. Ready to dive in? Let's go! So, why are webinars such a goldmine for online income? It's all about value and connection. When you host a webinar, you're providing immense value to your audience by sharing your knowledge and expertise on a specific topic. People are always hungry for valuable information, and they're willing to pay for it, especially when it's delivered in an engaging and interactive way. But it goes beyond just information. Webinars allow you to build strong connections with your audience. You're not just a faceless entity on a screen, you're a real person sharing your passion and expertise. This personal touch builds trust and credibility, making people more likely to invest in you and your products or services. Think about it, you're providing value, building relationships, and positioning yourself as an authority in your niche. This is a recipe for online success, and webinars are the secret ingredient that can take your business to the next level. Now, before you jump into the world of webinars, you need a killer topic. This is crucial because your topic will determine your audience and ultimately, your success. The key here is to find the sweet spot between your expertise and your audience's needs. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your audience? Brainstorm a list of potential topics based on your skills and knowledge. Once you have a list, do some research. See what people are searching for online, what questions they're asking in forums, and what challenges they're facing in your niche. Remember, the best webinar topics are specific, relevant, and solve a real problem for your audience. Don't be afraid to niche down and focus on a specific aspect of your expertise. The more targeted your topic, the more engaged your audience will be. Section 4. Setting up your webinar. Like a pro. With your topic locked in, it's time to build your webinar. This might sound daunting, but it's easier than you think. First, you need a reliable webinar platform. There are tons of options out there, each with its own features and pricing. Some popular choices include Zoom, Webinar Jam, and GoToWebinar. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to craft your presentation. Keep it engaging, visually appealing, and to the point. Use clear and concise language, incorporate visuals like images and videos, and break down complex information into easily digestible chunks. Don't forget to practice. Rehearsing your presentation will help you feel more confident and ensure a smooth delivery on the big day. Treat it like a conversation with your audience, and don't be afraid to inject your personality into your presentation. Section 5. Packing your webinar with attendees. Building an awesome webinar is great, but it's useless without an audience. That's where marketing comes in. You need to get the word out and attract people to your webinar. Luckily, there are tons of effective strategies you can use. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting your webinar. Build an email list and send out targeted campaigns announcing your webinar, highlighting its value, and encouraging people to register. Social media is another fantastic avenue. Create engaging posts and stories about your webinar, share behind-the-scenes content, and run contests or giveaways to generate buzz. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Partner with other influencers or businesses in your niche to cross-promote your webinar to their audiences. Remember, the key to successful webinar marketing is to start early, be consistent, and provide clear and compelling reasons for people to attend. Section 6. Your Webinar Toolkit, Platforms and Tools. Navigating the world of webinars can feel overwhelming, but having the right tools can make all the difference. As mentioned earlier, you'll need a reliable webinar platform like Zoom, Webinar Jam, or GoToWebinar to host your webinar. These platforms provide all the features you need, from screen sharing and recording to chat boxes and polls. But your toolkit doesn't end there. Consider investing in tools that can enhance your webinar experience, such as Canva for creating stunning visuals, a good quality microphone for crystal clear audio, and scheduling tools like Calendly to streamline the registration process. Remember, the right tools can streamline your workflow, improve the quality of your webinars, and ultimately help you achieve greater success. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the tools that work best for you and your business. Section 7. The Webinar Advantage, your path to online success. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the world of webinars. Remember, webinars are more than just online presentations. They're a powerful tool for building your brand, connecting with your audience, and generating significant income online. The key is to provide value, be engaging, and promote your webinars effectively. The beauty of webinars is that they offer a win-win situation for both you and your audience. You get to share your knowledge, grow your business, and boost your income, while your audience gains valuable insights and solutions to their problems. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of webinars and unlock a world of opportunities for online success. Start small, experiment, and never stop learning. The world of online business is yours for the taking, and webinars are your secret weapon to achieve your entrepreneurial dreams.